What's up, guys? What's going on? Welcome to a new episode. This episode is going to be fun because why? I'm standing in the studio. Nah, I'm actually standing in the garage, but I'm going to show you how you're going to take this garage and go from this. So yeah, I'm going to show you how you're going to go from this garage to this studio. This is going to be turned into a studio. Yes, it is. Because, you know, you got to maximize your investments. And a part of that is turning this garage into a studio. Full apartment. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So making some progress. You can see the garage is it's emptied out now. Space is emptied out. I just got a few things over there that, you know, I'm going to need those anyway. Paint colors for this house. But I got this wall right here, which is like an exterior wall. You can see that I already started taking off some of the planks. This is actually the fireplace that's behind the wall. But this entire wall, gotta take off all those planks because I got a sheetrock that. Good thing this wall's already sheetrock. And then the sealant, I already took down that long light fixture. That was crap anyway. But this sealant, I'm gonna have to take this sealant down and put some fresh sheetrock up there. Already got some HVAC. Oh, where we at? Fresh HVAC right up there. You see it. So yeah, just gonna get grinding on this wall. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. But you can see that wall is cleared. All the siding, which is exterior siding. So what happened is that siding and also that siding over there, I'm actually saving it because on the exterior of the house, similar siding. So because it got similar siding, I can reuse those, save some cost, and put them back on, seal them, caulk them up, and then paint them when I paint the whole house, that's coming soon. But, you know, room is coming along. Wall is almost 100% clear. Just gotta, you know, I'm gonna have to do some sheetrock and stuff on there. Insulation and stuff on there. There's already insulation behind this wall, as you can see. You can see right there. Yeah, it's insulation behind that wall. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll be back. I'm gonna do the roof. I'm gonna take all this ceiling down. This is like some nonsense. I'm gonna take that down. Gonna do you know, some flat, smooth sheetrock up top. And before you know it, this thing's gonna be transformed like boom. What's up, guys? It's day 2, and you know, in the studio. And this ceiling right there is what needs to come down today. So check it out. So you can see that they had some supporting freaking bolts or whatever to hold their ceiling up. Can't have that, so got to take this whole ceiling down and yeah, you know, get some fresh sheetrock up there and make it look nice, because this isn't gonna work at all. So yeah, time to get to work on it and bring it all down. What's going on, guys? So look, we got free child labor. Child 1, child 2. But you know, making way. They want to destroy some stuff, so they're destroying some stuff. This guy right here loves destroying things, so gave him a little bit of demo work that's to be done. I started to put the studs up for the walls, you can see, but I don't want to finish the wall before we clean everything out there. You see a little guy there, he's cleaning everything out right now. Then I'm gonna put the wall up and then just kind of go through, see what's happening. Bunch of garbage here. Took all the panelers off here because I wanted to be complete paneling with the window when I put the window in here. Entire roof is down, ducting is in, ran. Got some pipes up there. Some electrical ran, but I have to run some more electrical. But, you know, so far, so good. It's going. The wall will be done today. And that's it. So, yeah, stay tuned. It's super dusty in here, so mask, gloves, the whole shebang. Stay tuned. Oh, man. All right, well, that was a long day. The wall is up. The wall is up. Everything is good to go with this. Yeah, I got to put siding on the outside. You can see that little light right there. That's the seam. That's the seam for the boards. But all in all, I mean, you know, got all the nails out. The ceiling is prepped. Got to put a couple beams across the ceiling. Because these ceilings, this old house, so they actually have these spaced out by 24. It's supposed to be 16, like those beams you see back there. You can see the space between those beams are a lot more. So I have to put some boards, some like 2x4s to make sure I have enough contact for my sheetrock. But yeah, I mean, you know, coming along. You know, next I'm gonna start the bathroom framing. Bathroom frame is going to be over here. Bathroom's going to be right over there. So, right over there. So, got to start that frame out next. Could go outside. Outside, just have, it just got the Tyvek siding. Nothing special. Just a bunch of garbage. Yeah. So, yeah, so you just see just a bunch of Tyvexes outside. That's the water barrier. You know, that way rain or anything doesn't damage the boards that's on the wall there. But catch you guys on the next one. What's up, guys? What's going on? Back in here working. Last time you seen it, I didn't have this much done at all. You can see got a window. Where we at? Right there. Got a window in there. Window. You can see all the sheetrock on that side. That whole wall is framed out. This whole wall is framed out. Started doing some electrical work, but I mean, you know, made a lot of progress. This is only 3 days, so for 3 days it's pretty good. So now this is the frame. I'm framing out the bathroom because bathroom's gonna be right over here. You can see where I cut that sheetrock out. Cut that sheetrock out and got the mold resistant sheetrock right there. That goes in the bathroom. And then I got some cement board. That's gonna go behind the shower because, you know, you do it right with cement board. But yeah, you know, just me rolling along. Got a lock in. Got a lock. That's a plus. There used to be a door right here. Close that off, and then got the sealant. Half the sealant's done because still got to do some electrical work, so you know, just kind of don't want to close it all off yet, but let's roll. What's up, guys? All right. Behind me, you see the frame. Bathroom all framed out. Framing is done. Got my space left here for the sheetrock to go on that side. My doorway. My doorway here. Gonna put the shower over there, toilet over there. Gonna put the vanity over there. Nice big bathroom. So yeah, I mean, that's it, guys, for now. I don't want to make this video too long because obviously this is, you know, from scratch to you'll see the final results. But yeah, I mean, you know, everything is pretty much on the way. It's looking good. It's looking like something now. Now, you know, I can see the vision now. But listen, guys, if you want to see how this build continue and, you know, how the results come out, just stay tuned. Stay tuned, and catch you on the next video. I'm kind of running through this, so yeah. Look out for another video to be posted soon on this studio apartment. All right, peace.